Hello, my dear children. This is Swainima teacher. Welcomes you today in our drawing period. Dear children, today we are going to learn a new topic in drawing. So, first let me know, when you get up in the morning, yes, how does it smell? It smells so blooming. Yes, the nature. Yes, the nature, it smells so nice. The nearby flowers, the smell of grass. Yes, all these smells are so blooming early in the morning. When you go in the garden, everywhere you can see colorful and beautiful flowers. Yes, this is the topic we are going to learn today. Flowers. There are different types of flowers. There are so many colorful flowers. Yes, and all have different fragrance. You know, children, we can get so many things with the help of flowers. First is freshness. Yes, we feel fresh when we are around the flowers. You get perfumes with the flowers. Yes, perfumes are made from the flowers. You get different oil, you get soaps. All these are made up of different types of flowers. So you get different types of fragrance. So today, teacher is going to teach you how to draw simple flower and in flower pot. Okay? So let us start our session and learn how to draw flowers. Materials required to make flowers are 3A book, pencil, eraser, crayons, yellow, brown, green. Yes, we have different shades of brown, light and dark green shade, and we require orange color also, and a small circle cap. Now let us put today's date, that is 2/1/21-01-2222. Write CW besides that. And what we are going to draw? Yes, what can you see besides the screen? The flowers are blooming. So the heading will come FLOWER. Now children, we are going to start with a flower, and end of the session you have to tell me which flower we have drawn today. So let us take the cap, press it with your finger and draw a good circle shape with the help of this cap. So here our circle is ready. Inside it you have to make one small circle. Now, after making the circle, time to make the petals of the flower. You have to take a curve, one front open, one back open. But what you have to do? Join it with a curve. Do not make it pointed. Clear to you, children? Again, start from the circle point, take a curve up, one back curve up, and join it with a curve on top. It should not be pointed. This way you have to make the curves on top. So here we will make the petals one by one. Try to make big petals so that it will be easy for you to do the coloring part. So let's take the curves and join it with the curve only on the top. One by one we are making petals. The petals will depend upon the size of the circle. If you have made big circle, the petals will come more. If you have drawn small circle, the petals will become less. So this way you have to make curves. All the petals should start from the circle point. You can turn your book. If you find it difficult to draw, you can just turn your book. This way, give a little wavy shape and curve on top. You have always seen children, flowers are always soft. It is always curvish. It is never pointed. You never get hurt from the flowers. They are so soft. So we have to make it this way. Our petals are complete over here. Now we will start with the second line. The gap you see in between the two petals, you have to fill it again with small petals like this. Same way you have to draw the curves, but this time it will be smaller. You have to just fill the gap between the two petals with this small petals. Take a wavy line and join it with a curve like this. Again start, make a wavy line and join it with a curve this way. So keep on making the petals till the last point. I hope slowly you must have guessed which flower we are making. And here we are done with the last petal. Okay, now children, after making the flowers, what is the next step we are making is stem of the flower. Yes, so first bring one little slanting line down or little curvish line. You have to make stem like this. It should be thin, not too thick. And just with a finger move a zigzag line like this. And now we are going to make a beautiful leaves. So take a down curve and extend the leaves like this. Now one upward curve and join it, and inside make a line. Same way we will draw on the other side also. One down curve, one upward curve, inside make a line, and our leaves are also complete. Now time to start with the coloring part. Here I have taken yellow color. As you all know children, the coloring always starts with the border line first. First we will color the petals, the bigger petals. Slowly fill the color inside. This is the reason I have told you should make big picture so that color will be easier for you. If the petals will be small, it will be difficult for you to fill the color inside. So let us give borders first in each petal and we'll fill the color inside nicely. Slowly we are going to color all the petals. If you have different dark yellow shade, you can use that also. So children, this way you just complete all the petals one by one. Flowers are the life. Yes, it blooms, it smells. The fragrance of flower is just too good. It just makes the nature so refreshing. As you see children, we are done with the inner petals. Now time to cover the outer petals with the same yellow color. Same way, you have to first give the borders slowly. Just see that these petals are small. Your color should not go out of the flower petals. So basically these flowers are homes of many insects like butterflies, caterpillars, honeybee. Yes, they all just suck the nectar of these flowers. It's a very beautiful creation of our God. So as you see children, we have done with the yellow part. Now here I have taken orange color to give shading inside the flowers. So inside the inner petals you have to give the shading this way, touching the circle part. Don't make it dark, just with the light hand you can give the shadings. You can use any type of crayons, that is oil pastel or pencil crayons. This way, touch the circle and give the shading towards upside. If you feel like it's not working, just remove the crayon and clean it with your hand, and then again start with the shading part. So this way we are done with the bigger petals, and now we'll give the shading on the smaller petals. Just see how teacher is giving from top. Okay, in the smaller petals you have to give the shading from top. So this way, as you can see, we are done with the shading part also. Now here I am going to use light brown color. Okay, light brown color, which I am going to fill inside the bigger circle which we have made with the help of round object. So fill the light brown color inside. You can use red color also, or you can color it with orange color also. If you are not having two shades of brown color, you can definitely use orange or red color. So this is the light brown part, and now in the smaller circle I am doing dark brown color. So here, if you don't have brown color, there you can use orange on the outer part and red color in the inner part. Okay, now with the dark brown I am giving little shading on the outer circle. Next, time to color the stem. So with light green color I am coloring the stem of this flower. And with the same green color I am coloring the leaves also. Try to color always in the same direction children, as I have already told you in my all the coloring videos that you should always follow the same pattern. If you are doing in sleeping, the color should always move in sleeping position. And if you are doing it in vertical position, then move all the colors in vertical position only. So here my leaves are done, and with dark green color I am giving the shading. So this is done, and I hope you must have guessed which flower is this now. Shall I ask you the question related to this, or you remember? The flower which faces the sun? Yes, it's a sunflower. So now time to just give a last finishing to this flower with a black pen or black marker or sketch pen. You can give dots inside the bigger circle. This way, just put the dots inside. And with this marker only, you have to give the outline to the inner circle and outer circle. And for rest, we are going to use pencil. You can easily run the marker on this. This way the outline of circle is done. Now for the final finishing of flower, I am simply using my pencil. With the pencil, I am making it little darker. So no need to use sketch pen in the flower petals. Just press your pencil little with your thumb and finger and give the outer shading. So without sketch pen also we can give the outline, and it really looks very nice. So children, as you can see, the outline is done, and down part I have given the shading of dark green color to give the effect of grass and garden, and on top I am just coloring it with light blue color to give the effect of sky. As you can see, it is really looking very beautiful, isn't it? So children, here our flower is done. So children, wasn't that easy? So before I wind up, I would like to ask you few questions. Can you tell me which is the national flower of India? Correct. It's a lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India. Okay, which flower faces towards the sun? Any idea? Guess? It's start with the sun itself. Yes, the sunflower moves with the direction of sun. Isn't it interesting? Yes. And we have so many different types of flowers which have different qualities. So children, I hope you must have learned new poems. Now you have learned how to draw the flowers, and soon we will learn some more things depend on flowers. So let us wind up our session, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care of your health. Have a good day. Bye bye.